Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. Lately we have a new reality that we need to stay at home for an extended period of time, and we may have also some extra time on our hand that we can use to build something useful, to build something that will produce money for us. So I suggest that you build a website, that you start up building a website and put some ads on it. For example, put Adsense on it. This is a very easy method to generate some money. So let me show you one of my websites that I built using one plugin that I created. So one single plugin built the most of this website. So this is it. It is a video sharing website for Hungarian people. Because I know Hungarian, it was easier to me to build this. And as you can see, it has AdSense on it. And if we navigate through videos, more AdSense and the playable video. Also, I included a topic, the coronavirus topic. This was not here until now. And yeah, the plugin is importing stuff. So let me show you the site's backend now. So all you need to have is a theme that will support this kind of setup, and the plugin that I built that will automatically import YouTube videos to your site. So let us go now to the backend, and here it is. So this is the main plugin that generates content for this website. It is called YouTube-O-Matic. Vimeo-Matic is also installed. Vimeo-Matic imports videos from Vimeo, while YouTube-O-Matic imports videos from YouTube. However, I paused the Vimeo plugin because YouTube-O-Matic generated much more content that is more engaging to visitors. So I suggest that you leave only YouTube-O-Matic active, and if you wish you can put also Vimeo-Matic on the site, but it is not mandatory. So let me show you now the steps that I done and what plugins I have active here. So let me go to plugins and also to themes. So first of all, I want to show plugins. These are the basic plugins that I installed. Add inserter to add the AdSense content. So I applied for AdSense after populating some posts on the website. So all I've done is import some video posts. I never made a manual post here on this website. I only imported video post, applied for AdSense, and they approved me from the first try. So you can check the list of these plugins. So Add Inserter is the plugin to insert ads in the content. So here it is. Akismet to block spam. All 404 redirect to homepage. So if there might be some page not found errors, these are the 404 errors, then they will be redirected to homepage. I like to have also this plugin active just to make sure there will be no similar errors. All-in-one SEO pack. This is a free plugin. It can be downloaded from wordpress.org, and it actually will make a big difference for the site SEO. AMP, I enabled also AMP version of this website. Post views count, this will enable the view count for the posts, which will be seen here, because as you can see, I tried to make a YouTube copy. So YouTube for Hungarian people was the intention for this website, and it also has a view counter for videos. Okay, contact form 7. To be accepted to Adsense, you need to have a contact form on your website, and I used contact form 7 to make this page. So here you will find the contact form that people can use to contact me. Easy Google AdSense, this is a very useful plugin that can be used to add AdSense to your site. All you have to do is put here your publisher ID from AdSense, and it will do the rest of the job for you. So when you apply to AdSense, install this plugin, put here your publisher ID, and you're done. Insert post ads, this is another plugin to add AdSense to the post. This is classic editor. Loginizer to protect the website and add some security to it from brute force login attempts. Open external links in a new window. This will open links that are not from this website in a new window, and yeah, it will decrease the bounce rate for the website. So the bounce rate means when people click away from the website, then the bounce rate is increased. But when people stay on the website, then this is a SEO measure that is pretty important for your site. So I recommend that you open external links in a new window and not allow people to leave your website so easily. Video thumbnails, this is a small plugin that automatically retrieves the video thumbnail and sets it as a featured image. This is the Vimeo-matic plugin that import Vimeo videos to my site. VP Rocket, this is a premium plugin that is for caching the website, and it is increasing its load speed. WP Page Navi, this is a navigator plugin. You can check it if you want. Post views is how many times a post page had been viewed, similar to the upper plugin, but this is displayed in other places from the page. VPS hide login, this will hide the default login screen for WordPress, and this will secure more your website. And the YouTube-o-matic plugin, which actually does the hard work, the hard lifting for this website. And let's go to its settings right now. So I will show you how I configured the YouTube-o-matic plugin. So these are the importing rules for it. So let's go to the first page. The plugin imports content from multiple channels. So here you can set the source channel ID for each importing rule that imports from channels, and multiple YouTube users. So I selected multiple YouTube channels and YouTube users that are relevant to Hungarian people, and I show them on this website. So this website will aggregate YouTube channels that are relevant to Hungarian people, as I already said. So news channels, channels that are pamphlets and so on. So I aggregated many channels and created these importing rules. So all I done besides of this is create a specific category for each channel. So this will say news, sports, celebrities, and so on. So kids and so on. So I assigned a category to each and every channel, and besides of this I left the default settings for the plugin, so it will import content for me. So let's check how many videos were imported so far. 18,440 videos were imported by this plugin so far. So I have 18,440 posts on this site. And this keeps growing because the YouTube-O-Matic plugin keeps importing new stuff. So right now the coronavirus videos are imported, and I prioritize this, and this is the main priority for the website and the plugin, to import coronavirus related videos to this website. And also I wanted to show you the theme that I'm using. It is called DTube. This is not available for sale anymore, but yeah, because it is an older theme, I had it somewhere on my web drive, and I used it a couple of years ago, but I am reusing it now because it is actually a pretty good theme, and for these kinds of video sites it will provide good results. Also it has an Adsense space here, which is pretty good. So yeah, the theme settings were not so complicated to do. This is pretty much the default settings for the theme, and all you have to do in this is set the logos, the images, and fav icon, and these are the settings that I made. Also I added here some text to translate the theme as much as possible. So yeah, these are the settings, you can check them, of the theme. If you find this theme, you can use it. However, if you have other themes that you like that can handle these kinds of video aggregation websites, go ahead, you can use something more up to date, something newer. This is an old theme, as I said, but it provides good results for me, and I continue to use it. Okay, so this is the main part of the website. Building this website was for me around 4 or 5 hours to do, 4 or 5 hours work, and this work includes also creating the icons, creating the text, checking YouTube for channels that should be aggregated, configuring the theme, the plugin, the hosting, installing WordPress, installing plugins, and so on. But in these 4 hours I've done everything that all the work that this website requires. After this, I am not required to touch this website anymore. I can forget about it, ads will continue to run on it, and people will continue to view posts on it. And yeah, this is a passive income for me, starting from when I got accepted to AdSense. Also, when traffic will grow even more for the website, I plan adding some affiliate marketing links to it, some affiliate marketing images that are relevant to the niche that this website targets. And yeah, go ahead guys. I will link in this video's description where you can find the YouTube-O-Matic plugin, because as I said, you will need only the YouTube-O-Matic plugin to build similar sites. The theme and other stuff that I put here are free or irrelevant. So or free or irrelevant, because the theme, you can use any theme that you like, it will generate almost the same results. But if you find a theme that provides better results for video websites, you can use it, but any theme should do the work. And also the other plugins that I showed here are mostly free. Besides of the caching plugin, the WP Rocket, everything should be free. So yeah. And also there are all other free caching plugin alternatives. Okay, so I will link in this video's description to YouTube-O-Matic. You can check it out. I will have also other websites and other tutorial videos for it. And I also have a demo site for YouTube-O-Matic where you can give it a try before you purchase it. So go ahead guys and build your own websites while you stay home, and let's hope this pandemic will be over and we all will be healthy and maybe with some extra income based on the websites that we built in our free time that we spent at home. So yeah, stay safe people, stay at home and build websites with me. This is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this content, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I create new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so don't forget also to hit that bell notification to get notified each time I publish a new video on this channel. So yeah, until next time, have a great day. This is all for now. Over and out.